everyone, welcome back to Autohaus of Naples. I'm Victoria, and today I have two beautiful 6.3 AMGs to show you. Over here I have a Carlsson sedan and a full bolt-on coupe. Now before I show you these cars, make sure to follow our Instagram, our Facebook, and hit the bell for notifications for each of our weekly videos. So first I want to start off with this beautiful Carlsson Edition, and I want to point out these gorgeous rims. They have the Carlsson logo here as well as all around. And right in here we have our AMG brake calipers. These rims don't come standard on all AMGs. This is a Carlsson Edition, so that's very cool. Coming around to the front, we have beautiful carbon fiber accents for the front lip, as well as this white grille accent here to match the rest of the car, which I really like. And then moving around to the side, we have our 6.3 AMG badge, same as the other side, which tells us that she's very fast. And then coming around to the back, we have more carbon fiber accents down below. And I'm going to pop the trunk for you so we can see how much space we're working with, which it's quite a lot. There's a good room in there. So now I'm going to start this beauty for you. Let's unlock it. We have this nice infotainment center with a good sized screen. We have our temperature gauge up here, our air vent. And then on the dash, we have our RPMs and then our speed limit. And which is pretty cool, you have your AMG logo right on the dash right here. And then on the steering wheel, we have controls, so we can turn the music up or down, pick up a phone call, etc. Have another little Bluetooth connector, some storage. And then we also have a sunroof in here. There we go. Got our little sunroof. On the seats, we have the AMG badging right here, as well as some Alcantara, which is pretty cool. And on our floor mats, which are in great shape, you have the CLS logo as well. Moving on to this black beauty. This is a full matte black, black on black AMG. And I just want to point out these rims. These are so amazing. These are real carbon fiber rims. And we have the red AMG brake, which is so cool. We have a full bolt-on package on this one, so it makes it look wider and sportier. You can even see this front lip right here. Makes the car look really dramatic, which I love. Moving on to the side, you have your side skirts. Those are gloss black, which I really like the gloss black in contrast of the matte black. I think it looks really good. This silver trim looks super cool too. This car is just fully decked out. Even when you come to the back, you have this huge spoiler, which is carbon fiber as well, and the dual exhaust pipes, which show you that it's a true AMG. So there's some really good storage in this coupe. You can fit a lot in here. It also comes with these mats that have AMG, and it comes with a weather mat as well to protect your trunk for whatever you put in it. All right, now I'm gonna start her up. I just want to point out all of the carbon fiber trim we're working with. It's all over the center console as well as on the sides. And then in this center console, it's super cool. It's in a lot of the Mercedes. It opens just like this. Deep storage. And then we have our 2 cup holders here. And I just want to point out these seats. These look like real race car seats. The nice AMG logo and the bucket look. Oh yeah, this thing shifts really well, and it also backfires some pops at you when you let off the gas. It like takes a second to like really start ripping, but when it does, she goes fast. Handles really well, it grips pretty well. You can use the paddle shifters. It wants to jump. This is just insane power. So standard C63 AMGs come with around 500 horsepower. This one's well over 600 because of the spec. It's also tuned and cammed. So, I mean, you're getting a lot of power in this small coupe. So here we have a 6.3 V8 engine, and this is handcrafted by Daniel Curvapathon. Sorry, I'm butchering that name. Private jet taking off. These mirrors are super small, but I can see literally all 3 lanes, which is really good. So good visibility in this car. The coupe is definitely a lot of fun, but this car can be your daily driver, and the other one's more of your fun car. So same thing in this engine, they're the same engine. It's a 6.3 V8. Can't really read who handcrafted this one, but this one's handcrafted as well. So which AMG did you like better? Did you like this Carlsson Edition or this full bolt-on coupe? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, follow our Facebook, our Instagram, and hit the bell for future videos. And if you want any more information on these 2 beautiful cars, go to autohausnaples.com.